The first week of school, I guess it kind of goes by like a blur. It's slow but fast at the same time. And obviously, us as teachers, we're taking this week to get to know our students. But I do think that there is a balance between like those, yes, community building activities are very important, but it's also making sure that there is meaningful work. So if you're a parent, the term that we use is called diagnostic. So we want to see where each child is at. So for whatever subject. So for example, while kids are doing like an activity like this, I'll pull the child aside to come sit beside me. I'll get to know the child to have some one-on-one time. Something for I might just take out a book behind me and say, hey, can you read this paragraph? I'll tell the child, like, I'm not the student, I'm not marking you or anything. I just want to see how you read. And this is a chance for us to see, okay, where is this student at in terms of reading fluently? We also want to see how they can write and read. And one of those things is for math, a math diagnostic. Like, where is this student at? And then we take that information to see if it's by unit or by strand. Okay, I think we need to focus more on like measurement and calculating area of certain polygons, for example. So I've made something that I've used for the past few years. I've copied and pasted, but now it's actually a resource. This is a math diagnostic. So for example, if you're in grade 7, I want to see if this student, how they are able to meet grade 6 expectations. So I'll give this out. It's just a quick one pager. All of this is completely editable, so you can just put your students' names on here. And it's a chance for me to see, okay, how does this grade 7 student in September, how does he or she remember expectations from grade 6? You can give it a mark, or you can just check and just eyeball exactly what questions are having more struggles on for the student. I have one for each strand. So for example, if you're starting off the year with number sense, give this out at the beginning, and then you can see where your students are at. If you're doing data literacy, you can give the data literacy one out. Once you do them, you can see where your students need more help in or what they excel in. This is also really good for documenting if you feel like a child needs an IEP, so everything is documented there with the specific expectations. They're also good for supply teachers because it's just like print and go and it's a good review. Hope that helps.